Hello GWS, Sean and Mel. Today, 7th of January 2025, we're going to clean all this area, the patio area and all the concrete. The people are a bit worried about slipping every time they come out the back door. We're going to use the Thermatec steam cleaner. I think today we'll probably go up to about maybe 110, 120 degrees, probably about 80 to 100 bar. As you see here, very slippery, a lot of moss, and it's very cold and frosty today. So we'll see how we get on. See you later. Just got done. The customers just come out and asked us if we'll give them a quote to clean all the front of the garden now, but that'll be done in a few weeks or a couple of months time. See ya, bye.